Welcome to my channel. So we are going to be doing a hair tutorial today. Thank you to Eullair Hair for sending me out this hair to review. As you can see, we are getting into our fall color wigs and we are wearing fall colors. Like, I freaking love fall. So my name is Keymee K. I did not say that before, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So we are going to be getting into this unit, which is going to be a 13 by 4 straight human hair wig. It does have 3 combs on top, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and they also give you an elastic band. The color is 350 ginger, and then it is a 24-inch straight unit. It says that the density is 150% density. So starting out, the lace is going to be an HD transparent lace, as you can see. So it is very transparent. You are going to have to tint your lace, and then it says pre-plucked baby hairs. I don't see baby hairs on my unit, and then it says pre-plucked. You are going to have to go in and pluck this more. So now I'm going to be starting out by using my foundation to tint the lace and also my wig cap. I am using a Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation in the shade 765 Tawny. I put powder on my wig cap, but you can still see it through. So then I just went ahead and put that foundation on the edges. I am using some alcohol to go ahead and clean the hairline up, and then I am going to go in with my lace glue. I am using my lace glue that is in the description box down below if you want to go ahead and check that out. So I'm going to be doing 2 layers, and I'm going to only start on the left side. So I'm going to put some glue in the middle and then also on my left. And I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool air and just blowing that down, and then I'm going to tie it down. And I do blow dry for about 20 minutes on heat at this point. So next I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace. I am going to be using an eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. As you can see at this point, I have not plucked this unit. So going right in, that is what it looks like. And I am cutting into the hairline. So it's a little bit plucked, but it's not plucked a lot. So now I'm just going to go in and pluck. After plucking the hairline, that is what we are looking like. It looks good. So now I'm just going to go in and get my part center, and I am going to pluck that a little bit more just so that I can get it open. With colored units, I usually don't do baby hairs, but with this one, since I did have to go in and cut into the hairline and actually pluck it and everything, that is why we have baby hairs. So it looks more natural, not more natural I guess you could say, but more nice compared to if I would have left it alone without baby hairs. So I do want to say for this unit on their site, it is showing that it is $256.80. That's if you get the 24-inch in the 13 by 4. They do have this in the T part, which is just going to be a lace part, and that's going to be $208.80. I do want to say this is going to be one of your cheaper colored units, and also it does have mixed fibers, so be aware of that, okay? So as I'm straightening my hair, you will see the density on this unit. I am going to show it to you. It does have a natural density to it. So if you don't like a lot of hair, then you will love this one. On the website, if you don't want straight, they do have this color in body wave, and they do have deep wave. And then also it says that you can use PayPal to buy now and pay later, and So yeah, so you can go ahead and get this on payments. That is gonna be it for this unit. I love the color on me and everything. I think the color is pretty. Like I said, be aware of those cons that I did tell you. I did get some shedding. It is gonna be a colored unit, so I did kind of expect it to be some shedding. But other than that, that is going to be it for this unit. Thank you to Eullair for sending me out this unit to review. Everything will be listed down below for you to go ahead and check out. And once again, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!